Radiologic sciences, it's a combination of patient care skills and imaging the body to diagnose illnesses. Radiologic sciences is really important in healthcare. Without having that imaging, you're not going to know what's going on in the patient's body if they can't know by the symptoms what's going on. I chose NDSU's Radiologic Sciences program because it is a small class size. Our class is a size of 6, and I really like that because you get one-on-one individual education with your instructors, and I feel like that really gives you a better education. Also, I really like that we get to do our clinicals at a level 1 trauma center, so we get to experience various patient conditions, and we also get to go through different modalities, which not all the programs do. So we get to go through mammo, MRI, CT, interventional, and then x-ray, so that's really neat too. Someone should consider majoring in radiologic sciences because it is a great program. I feel like it has really made me grow as a person personally and as a medical professional, and you can do a lot with radiology. It's a broad field. You can also go on to more schooling for radiation therapy. If you wanted to be a PA, you can use this degree and go on for 2 more years. It's just such a wide variety, so if you really want to be able to do a lot of different things in your major, this is definitely the major to go for.